3 good things exercise has you write down for a week before you go to sleep 3 things that went well today, and then to reflect on why they went well. It works because it changes your focus from the things that go wrong in life to things that you might take for granted that go well. And focusing your attention on things that goes well breaks up depression and increases happiness. I don't need to recommend beyond a week typically for 3 good things, because when you do this, you'll find you like it so much, most people just keep doing it. We ask people to write down the causes because we want people to reflect on and immerse themselves in the good events. So to the extent that you write down the cause, you're thinking in more life review detail about the quality of the event.